Hi, my name is Neice. I am a Pratt graduate from FVI School of Nursing. My inspiration came to me when I was a little girl. I would say 5 years old. I always had the passion. I always knew that I wanted to be a nurse and to change lives. I always remember as a little girl, my father used to always go out and buy me toys to be a doctor, and I would act like I was a doctor, and I would care for the sick. FVI definitely prepared me throughout my nursing career by providing, they would have tutoring, professors would sit with you, they would even stay after class to show you whatever it is that you did not know. They are very, very caring, loving, and passionate. They have a lot of professors, I feel like, that came in knowing that this is for them, and they were very passionate about teaching and helping us throughout this nursing program. I would definitely recommend FVI to any student that wants to pursue a nursing career. I am extremely proud of myself. I'm so excited, I'm emotional right now, and this has been the best birthday gift ever.